What is going on, folks? I hope you all are doing well today. I wanted to film this video in relation to the fact that your website most likely sucks. In fact, I'm just going to say it. If you are a carrier, your website sucks. And that's what this video is all about. This is, from my perspective, your websites are all about you, your history, and the fact that your grandmother, twice removed husband created this company 75 years ago and you've grown to 1,000 trucks and all that. Honestly, in the very beginning, I don't want to know that. I don't want to hear that story because it's not helping me out. It's just making you look potentially really cool. And that's not what your website should be about. Your website should draw me in, bring me in. And more than that, the website that I'm looking for, I don't need to have 15 different links. I just want to have, in essence, one button that lets me know that I'm headed in the right direction, that I'm going to be talking to the right person. A landing page that says, if you want this, this is who you contact. If you want this other thing, this is who you should contact. Start thinking about your websites in a completely different mindset, in a completely different way. Not how it makes you look, but how are your customers, your end users using it? I'm not going on Google and researching company A or B or C. I am maybe seeing it in the signature in someone's email. I am getting a call from a company and they send me a follow-up email, and then I'm clicking on that link, potentially clicking on that link if it was a good conversation and it's something that I could potentially use. But truthfully, in all honesty, from the get-go, if I'm not searching your website. So to have 10 different links, the About Me, the page that is 50 feet long or whatever you'd want to say, that has every single thing that you do, is not working for me. It's not working for the end customer. So start thinking about your website a little bit differently. Start creating a landing page that you put on your signature lines for all your salespeople, or even anyone that does any sort of communication for you. Give them a simple landing page that people are directed to, because that's what's important. That's what matters. I'm not looking up your website. I'm not looking up your company online. And if I am, I want to know specifically how you can help me. So know this, your website sucks, and you should take a look at it and make it a little bit differently by thinking about it from the end customer's point of view. How can we make it simple, and how can we draw them in quickly so that we can make a sale? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Deuces, bye.